In this video, we discuss about methods of prevention of corrosion. Prevention of corrosion can be done in many ways, uh, mainly in control of environment, then control of alloying surface by alloying, by surface coatings, cathodic protection. We can be prevent of metals by corrosion. First one, alloying. What is alloy? Alloy is nothing but it is a combination. It is a combination, it is a mixture of two metals or one metal with one non-metal. Here, alloying also one method to prevent the corrosion. Both corrosion resistance and strength of many metals can be improved by alloying. Example, alloying stainless steel containing chromium produce a coherent oxide film which protects the steel from further attack. Here we are alloying the steel. We are stainless steels containing chromium produce a coherent oxide film which protects the steel from further attack. Generally, we use steel plates, then that will be alloying from further crack. Alloying is one of the method to resist and strength of many metals can be improved. Then second one is surface coating. Second one is surface coating method. Then what is surface coating? Prevention. A metal is coated on base metal. The base metal is the metal which is protected. Metallic coating, surface coatings, both are same. A metal is coated on other metal. The base metal is coated with another metal which can be protected from corrosion. Here, surface coating is the method of coating of one metal over the other metal. Here, why we are using surface coating method means to prevent the corrosion, to enhance the resistance, to increase the hardness of that metal, to insulate the electrically, to insulate thermally, protection from electrically, thermally, protection from corrosion, protection from in strength of, to give the strength, to give the resistance by using these surface coating methods. Here, to protect a metal surface from corrosion, the contact between the metal and the corrosive environment. Corrosive environment, we all know about air, moisture, corrosive gases, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, etc. Cut off. This is done by coating the surface metal of the metal with the continuous non-porous material. Such a coating is referred to as surface coating or protective coating. This type of coating is called as surface coating or protective coating. Why? Because we are protecting one metal from corrosion. We are covering one metal with another metal to strengthen the resistance, to prevent the corrosion, to increase the hardness, to insulate electrically, to insulate thermally. This is surface coating method. Then control of environment. Control of environment. The main reason for corrosion is the nature of environment. By controlling the environment, we can prevent the corrosion. Deaeration is one of the method. Removal of dissolved oxygen and other gases in water. And second one is dehumidification. Humidity, we already discussed. Humidity is nothing but moisture. Removal of moisture content present in air